Engines howl like thunder rolling over sand. Steel-toed beasts waking up the desert land. Crowds fired up, pops pumping like a drum. High octane spirit in the veins of everyone. Bonfire blazing, sparks cutting through the night. Shadows twist and dance in the red gold light. Boots stomp the dirt as the rhythm starts to rise. Energy burning like lightning in the skies. We're drinking race, fuel, fire, the metaphor kind. Power in our chests and the roar in our mind. Girls dance free by the blaze in the dark, spinning like embers that ignite the spark. Yeah, high octane midnight, wild and alive. Metal in our bones and the will to drive. Yeah. Tires spit dust as the engines scream. Every racer chasing that impossible dream. Bonfire glow painting halos in the smoke. Voices rouse together as the night awoke. Guitar slash the silence like a comet's tail. Drums hit harder than a hammer on steel rail. The whole crew moving as the flames climb higher. Bound by the beat in the desert bonfire. We're drinking race, fuel, fire, the spirit, the sound. A surge of raw power shaking the ground. Girls dance wild in the flickering flame. All of us legends in the making of a name. High octane midnight, forever we ride. Metal hearts burning on the outback side.